Hello, today I will tell you how to get forklift certificate. A forklift operator is a professional who is responsible to transporting heavy materials using industrial machinery. The Occupational Safety Health Administration requires forklift operators to be certified before operating a lift truck, forklift, or warehouse product. Forklift certification is mandatory to help reduce the number of injuries due to unsafe operation to equipment in the workplace. You can earn your forklift operator certification by taking an OSHI approved course either in person or online. If you want to take the course online, you should visit the www.oshaeducationcenter.com forklift certification website. The cost of certificate is $49. Thanks to this course, train at your own pace with the number one trusted OSHA training provider, fully compliment. Instantly download your forklift certificate, include plastic wallet-size forklift certification card, purchase in bulk. Online course provides a variety of benefits, including 100% online course guaranteed to pass, forklift certification valid for 3 years, audio narration include, book discounts available. After completing the forklift driver certification course, you will be prepared for explain the importance of forklift stability, describe operational procedures for forklifts, prevent forklift accidents through safety procedures and practice, and state the importance of regular forklift inspections and maintenance. You can follow the discounts to complete the course and get a certificate and get a forklift certificate immediately at advantageous prices.